Moldovian Nature.
It helps with the cat.
Your own. Tell me about your broom.
We're out here in Moldovian Nature, just sweeping up some rocks. This here's a rock broom. Used for sweeping rocks. We'll show you. Yes, we'll show you.
Wow.
Sometimes, because of the nature of the rock, the broom doesn't always work. But sometimes, because of the nature of the rocks, it does work. Thanks for joining the Moldovian Nature. Welcome to episode 2 of Moldovian Nature. Right now, we're learning how to split some wood. You gotta hit it just the right spot or else it won't break.
You got it, girl.
See,
Damn,
I did it perfectly, and that's what you want. Is you want it to sit in between the axe, just so.
And this here, it's a Moldovian stump. You can tell, because of the way that it is.
See you next time on Moldovian Nature. Sometimes in Moldovia, your nose ring gets mistaken for a booger. Or dirt.
Moldovian Nature.
Welcome to our next episode of Moldovian Nature. Sometimes in Moldovia, even the bees need a little of encouragement to get awake for a good hard day's work. See you next time on Moldovian Nature.
Here on Moldovian Nature, sometimes you go into the kitchen. Today, we made some Moldovian pies. They're kind of twirly. And they have cheese in them. Or potatoes. Taters. Moldovian potatoes. This is our kitchen crew. Hey, y'all. Hey. Well, that's all here on Moldovian Nature. We hope that you learned something about Moldovian nature in the kitchen. Hi!
Moldovian Nature.
Here in Moldovia, when you demolish a house, you gotta clean up the rubble. So what you gotta do is you gotta pick up the house bricks, and then you put them in the wheelbarrow, and you bring them over to the big trailer. So this is how you do it. Guess this one. How about that one? Okay, you're just gonna do a little bit smaller. You don't want to hurt your back. Maybe that one right there. Yeah, see, so you gotta get a real big one like this, and then you put it in. But it's a good thing our rock crusher was here, because she helped us out. See you next time on Moldovian Nature.
Bye! Moldovian Nature.
Sometimes in Moldovian Nature, because of the nature of the nature, your Moldovian mom and pa never let you leave the house if you're sick. Ever.
Bye, Candace.
Bye, Candace. Bye. See you next time on Moldovian Nature. As you can see, spring's springing here in Moldova. See all the green life that is coming up. Sometimes you find yourself a Moldovian flower.
And sometimes you eat it.
See you next time on Moldovian Nature.
Moldovian Nature.
Welcome to episode 4 of Moldovian Nature. Sometimes in Moldova you bust your eardrum simply by living.
What? What?
See you next time on Moldovian Nature.
See you next time on Moldovian Nature.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of Moldovian Nature. It's been most enlightening to follow these two citizens of the Moldovan wild country on their journeys of daily living. We hope it's been a most educational experience for you, and that you will tune in next time to our newest episodes exploring the urban jungles of Guatemala called Puma Nature. Until then, cheerio!
We want to give thanks to you.
For watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you next month.
I can't feel my toes.
I'll just stand in the back and like this.
You want to say it in a British accent?
No!
This here is a Moldovan monocle. Yes. Check us out next time on Moldovian Nature. Sometimes in Moldovian Nature, because of the nature of the nature, you're Moldovan. Sometimes in Moldovian Nature, you get to play soccer, and it's really fun. I scored. What do you want to do? Thanks for joining us on Moldovian Nature.
Sometimes you eat it.
How's it taste? How's it taste?
No.
How's it taste?
It's good. It's okay.
You want some?
We'll just cut it out.
No, we gotta do it again. I can't
No, we just
laugh.
have-
See you next time on Moldovian Nature.
Bye.